Globalization is the process by which businesses, cultures, and governments around the world become interconnected and interdependent through increased trade, communication, technology, and cultural exchange. It involves the integration of economic societies and cultures through cross-border flows of goods, services, capital, people, and information. Positive effect of globalization. Economic growth and increased trade opportunities for countries. Access to a wider variety of goods and services for consumers. Spread of technology and innovation across borders. Improved communication and cultural exchange developing countries. Creation of jobs and reduction of poverty in developing countries. Negative effect of globalization. Loss of cultural identity and homogenization of cultures. Increased economic inequality between and within countries. Exploitation of labor and poor working conditions in some regions. Environmental degradation due to increased industrial activity and transportation. Vulnerability to global economic fluctuations.